Hey everyone, I'm here to introduce a new feature on Typedream CMS, filter tabs. Filter tabs are essentially user-facing filters on your collection that allow site visitors to display items of your collection that fit their selected category. You can see filter tabs on our newly designed changelog page, but filter tabs are also useful for documentation, directories, and so many more use cases. The other day, one of our teammates suggested that we share our favorite reads with each other. So today, we'll use a practical example to set up filter tabs on a reading list collection. To start off, we want to set up our Notion database. Here, we have a few columns to give some basic information. We have the name of the book, the author, who it's recommended by, the genre, and the book cover. An important thing to note is that filter tabs are created from columns that are of the select or multi-select type. In our case, we can create filter tabs from the recommended by and the genre columns. You can ignore these other auto-generated columns for now. Now that we have our Notion database, let's go to Typedream. A very simple layout for this demo will add an H1 for the title, let's say Typedream Reads. Then put on a subtitle. Next, we add a new collection. Let's hit /collection and we'll connect our Notion database from earlier to this collection. Select the template that you like for the collection view. Make sure that the fields are mapped properly. Cool. Now that we have our collection, let's add the filter tabs. Click on the collection and hit Edit Collection. Go to the Sort and Filter menu. Here, under the filter tabs for visitors, you select the column to filter by. We're going to filter by genre. You then choose the tab style and tab color. If you're a site visitor, say you're feeling fiction and want a nice read to take to the beach, then you just hit fiction. The collection will only show all the fiction recommendations from the Typedream team. So give filter tabs a try on your own CMS collections and comment your favorite read down below. See you next time!